this dish right here is going to be a gluten-free shrimp Alfredo. You know, this kind of happened like a little mistake. Me and the love of my universe, I was in the aisle and I told him, I said, babe, can you pass me the linguine noodles, please? So we get home, I look, they're gluten-free. Like, okay, I can make it work. A lot of people prefer gluten foods and recipes anyway, so I'm going to use the gluten-free pasta. And we're just gonna toss that in some beautiful garlicky cream and with some Parmesan cheese with the nicely seared and seasoned shrimp, some garlic bread. Look at me, and I can't even have none. Yeah. Alright guys, so these are my ingredients. Of course, I'm going to use Spicy Girl. That's my spice. If you want to cop that, you could hit the link below. These are my gluten-free noodles. I got everything from this recipe came from Walmart except for my spice. And yeah, so here I'm just going to chop up a whole bunch of garlic. Now, it's up to you how much little or a lot you want to use. I used about 6 or 7 cloves, y'all. I love garlic, especially in pasta recipes. They're like really delicious. On top of that, I can't taste this dish, and so I really want to make sure it's really seasoned and garlic has a good punch to it. I'm also going to chop up some red bell peppers for a little pop of color. These are my shrimp. I'm going to peel them because, you know, it's a pasta dish. You have to peel your shrimp. Well, child, my professor back in college, he dragged me because I put my shrimp wasn't peeled, y'all, and I tossed it in the pasta dish, and man, he dragged me that whole day. So now I'm just gonna boil my pasta right here, and stay tuned for another quick fun girl chat. Okay, you guys, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Let's talk sex. A lot of people get it confused, especially men. Relationship, they think that once you get married, it's not gonna be no more. You know what I'm saying? I can't talk too much crazy because, you know, YouTube will demonetize me. But when you get married, that don't mean the stuff don't happen no more, y'all. It get even better because now, no holds barred. You know what I'm saying? You ain't sinning. The marriage bed is it's undefiled. You know, you can do whatever. You don't gotta feel guilty about it. Ain't nothing gonna happen to you. So I just want to say to some of the guys out there, if you get you the right woman, okay, the right woman, you be for the rest of your life. Like, y'all should see my husband behind the camera. I'm just saying, marry the right woman. Have the right partner. Really get to know your partner. Explain exactly what you want. Make sure you find what you want. Okay? Make sure it's clear. If you want to 20 times a day, every day, make that clear that if I marry you, I want to 20 times a day, every day. Make it clear. Okay? And again, like I said, just because you marry somebody don't mean that stop or slow down. I don't know where that myth comes from. So guys, it's perfectly fine to settle down in a serious relationship. It's not gonna slow down if you get the right woman. Same with women. You know, get the right man. And girl, you good. Period. I'm fucking done. Alright, let's get back to the recipe. So you're gonna season the shrimp with the Spicy Girl. We're gonna sear that down. Y'all, these girl talks be cracking me up when I'm trying to edit. I can't, but you want to sear the shrimp just like this. Try to get it into a single file layer so you can get a cute little sear on it, just like this. And you want to add your peppers so your peppers could saute down with your shrimp. You are going to remove this from the pan before we start the sauce because you don't want to overcook your shrimp. This is where I just salted my shrimp because my Spicy Girl is low in sodium. So you want to add some butter and the garlic we chopped up earlier to the pan and saute that down. And then we're going to add the cream and we're going to get it going, y'all. This garlic smells so good. My kitchen smelled amazing. I just added my cream. You want to mix that really good to get all the bits up off the bottom. It's also going to give the cream a slight hue and color. So you want to season this however you want. I use Spicy Girl and an all-purpose seasoning for a quick pick-me-up. Mix it up, add the noodles, and then we're going to mix that up real good. After your pasta is nice and combined, then you want to add the Parmesan cheese. I noticed that my pasta was still a little dry, so I added a bit more heavy cream. Make sure you pay attention if you realize your pasta is a little too sticky, or you know it's not enough wiggle room. You could add another splash of cream, mix it in, and then it'll be just right and perfect. I just broke up a few pieces of fresh basil down in here at the last minute. You don't want to cook the basil down in here. You want to add it like right when you're about to turn the stove off. And that's it, y'all. So I'm going to plate this up. I'm going to let you guys know what my husband thought about it. Thank you guys so much for your support on my last video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And I'll catch you on my next one. Love you guys. Bye. Hey guys, real quick, I want to do a shout out and a little promo for my little sister. In March, I'll be in New Jersey at the birthday concert, a birthday concert for one of her very close friends. His name is CJ. So if y'all want to meet me or hang out or meet and greet, come check out this concert. Come check it out. Come hang out with us. And the address is 413-427 South 17th Street, Newark, New Jersey. The doors open at 6 p.m. and the concert starts at 6:30 p.m. So make sure you come on out. Follow CJ. I'm going to put all his links below. Follow him and purchase your tickets. And I'll catch you there.
Perfect.
This is gluten-free shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Spicy.
But I'm gonna start with the fettuccine and wrap into the Parmesan bread here. Not even Parmesan bread, just a cheesy bread.
Yes.
There we go. Good bite right there. Check that out. Got the shrimp, got the fettuccine. Yes, get in. Oh, that's good.
I was worried because I'm like, oh man, I can't try it. I can't taste it.
That's really good. This woman is allergic to shrimp. Allergic. I have no idea how the hell she does it. This tastes good as hell. She can't even eat it. She's been doing this for years now. She says she can't eat it. She keeps cooking this. I love the hell out of it. I'm going to take this bread right here. Very good, y'all. Cheesy as hell. Parmesan can taste it right. You can taste the shrimp. Everything is just awesome.
Is it too hot? Oh, my bad. You took a bite. Okay, guys. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.